Tom and Sarah had just bought an old house that needed some serious TLC. They were excited about the new adventure of turning the rundown property into their dream home. The house was filled with charm but had seen better days. The hardwood floors were scuffed, the paint was peeling, and the kitchen was outdated. However, Tom and Sarah were determined to bring the house back to life. They began by making a list of all the renovations they wanted to tackle. The first task was to rip up the old, worn-out carpet and restore the beautiful hardwood floors underneath. Tom rented a sander, and they spent a weekend sanding and refinishing the floors to their original glory. Next, they focused on the walls. They peeled off layers of wallpaper and applied fresh coats of paint in warm, inviting colors. The once gloomy rooms now felt bright and welcoming. The kitchen was the biggest challenge. They tore out the old cabinets and appliances and replaced them with modern, sleek ones. Sarah's dream was to have a large, granite countertop, and they made it a reality. The kitchen was now the heart of their home. Outside, they revamped the garden. They planted colorful flowers and added a cozy patio where they could enjoy their morning coffee or host barbecues with friends. Throughout the renovation process, Tom and Sarah faced some challenges. There were days when they felt overwhelmed, but they never gave up. They learned new skills, like plumbing and electrical work, and became quite the DIY experts. As the months passed, the house started to transform. It became a place filled with love and memories. Tom and Sarah would often sit on their new patio admiring the garden they had built and the home they had renovated together. The home renovation project wasn't just about fixing up a house, it was about building a life together. Tom and Sarah had created their dream home, one project at a time. It was a testament to their love, dedication, and the power of making a house a home.